like to introduce the RG200 roll grinder, designed and manufactured in the UK by HNC Roll Grinders. The RG200 is designed for the grinding of small lightweight rolls such as those used throughout the printing industry, just like the one shown here. The RG200 model has the same high quality linear guideways and rigid construction in common with the entire range of HNC roll grinders. Another feature of the RG200 is the pneumatic tailstock quill, making the loading and unloading of the components quick and simple with a hands-free foot switch. First, we load the roll into the machine. Like all HNC roll grinders, the RG200 comes complete with our unique, user-friendly operating system, making the machine simple and easy to use. We select the desired roll profile, in this case parallel. We then enter the nominal cutting data. Grinding wheel speed 4000 RPM. Work head speed 50 RPM. And feed rate 75 mm per minute for a superb finish. I say nominal data as this can be adjusted throughout the grinding process to achieve maximum results. We then enter the dimensions of the roll. In this example, the roll is 720 mm long, 840 mm away from the datum face, and the required finish diameter is 66 mm. By pressing the Confirm Data button, all data entry is verified and if found to be correct, allows the Cycle Start button to be pressed. The RG200 has a fully interlocked guarding system. This is only left open for the purposes of the video. At this point, the grinding begins. The completed roll is now removed from the machine. Once again, the pneumatic hands-free tailstock quill makes the operation quick and simple. Data entry to produce a cambered roll is virtually identical to what you have just seen, except there is one extra parameter for the crown of the roll. This easy-to-use interface allows the machine to be operated by non-technical personnel, as can clearly be seen on the screen at the moment. The combination of precision mechanics mounted on a rigid platform in conjunction with a simple and easy-to-use interface ensures consistency with a profile in single roll or batch production. The positional display at the top right of the screen shows the actual position of the axes. You will notice how the position of the axes changes constantly to create a perfect camber on the roll. The very fine cut illustrates the shallow camber on this particular test roll, which can be seen clearly by the unground centre of the roll. On the final demonstration, we are going to use a roll that was previously grooved on our GV300 roll groover. We are now going to remove this pattern in one cut to demonstrate the capability of the machine. Like all HNC roll grinders, the RG200 is extremely simple and easy to operate. Within the short time it has taken to make this video, we have completed 3 rolls, each with a different profile. As you can see, the RG200 could increase your production and improve the quality of your rolls, saving you valuable time and money and increasing your profits. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.